A very hard walker most times.
Yeah.
And then uses his brain a lot more than I do.
Ako si Hernan. Tamad ako, pero di naubusan ng trabaho. Ayun nga, break time ko at inaantay ko ang kasama ko. Subukan ko siyang tatanungin kung ano nga bang masasabi niya sa kanyang mga katrabahong Pilipino. Shoutout nga pala at mabuhay sa mga Pilipinong overseas sa buong mundo. Proud ako dahil isa akong Pilipino at kahit saan dako man ng mundo ay hindi nagpapatalo sa skills at talento.
Oh, water. Yeah. Fuck. Jesus Christ.
Ang bala ko talaga ay prank lamang siya at pagkatuwaan. Pero wari ko'y naintindihan niya ang aking gustong sabihin. At yun nga, kumuha siya ng tubig dahil kailangan ko nga ng tubig. At dahil hindi ko siya na-prank, nagbago ang aking isip. Nais ko na lang siyang interviewin about sa kung ano masasabi niya sa mga katrabahong Pilipino na kasama niya. At pakinggan nga ninyo ang kanyang masasabi sa kanyang katrabahong Pilipino, lalong-lalo na sa aking sarili.
Oh, it's recording.
Oh yeah. No, anyway, I have a question.
What's your question?
No, since we work together, what can you say about your Filipino coworkers? Just for my viewers.
A very hard walker most times.
Yeah.
Most times.
Most time. And then
uses his brain a lot more than I do. And
Oh, yeah.
safety. Never doubt how much safety is important to my fellow walker.
what I mean is, how is it nice to have a Filipino coworker? Is it hard or
I mean, it can be a bit tricky when we can't really hear each other.
yeah?
And there's a bit of like the accent a little bit, plus there's noise, plus I'm deaf.
You're deaf?
Not properly, but I'm hard of hearing.
Me too.
Yeah.
That's right. Sometimes we say something, what?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have very stupid.
Yeah. But honestly, compared to everyone else I've worked with, I like working with you the most. You know, by phone. But you know, we're sitting there, we're making jokes the whole time, getting it done. Yeah.
Nice to hear.
So ayun nga mga kalahi, napahanga natin ang ating katrabahong
Thank you for the
Canadian
word, eh.
sa ating ugaling pinakita at talento sa trabaho.